Hey, welcome back to my channel. LaShondacapri here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I trim my daughter's hair. It's super easy and super quick. We're going to jump straight into it. So what you're going to need is a small tooth comb, a wide tooth comb, and a pair of shears. So her hair has already been cleaned. It's freshly clean. We twist it like this to keep it from tangling up and everything. I'm going to take each section, I'm going to take each part, and that's how we're going to go about trimming. I'm going to go twist by twist to trim her hair. Her hair is already detangled, as you guys can see. You want to make sure that the hair is detangled. My hands, fingers are going straight through it. I'm going to take my wide tooth comb and comb it through a little bit just to make sure that it is detangled. Now I'm just taking my smaller tooth comb and combing it through one good time, just to make sure I got all the hair evenly. You want to cut where you feel the tension at. So I'm getting a little tension like right there. And you want to hold the piece of hair in between these two fingers like a pair of scissors, a good inch off. And you want to cut below your fingers. As I go, I retwist it. This is the last piece, guys. Okay, I have taken all her twists out and I'm done trimming her hair. Now she's gonna go upstairs and she's going to wash her hair again so that we can retwist it or put it in some type of style for her for the week. So much hair. So much hair. This is the finished results. I trim her hair every 6 months. It's very important that you do trim your hair. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Until next time, bye.